Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you've never been here before. So it's not often you will see me like this. I've just got out of the shower and I got some duochromes in the mail. I did a kind of like swatch on all of them. Well, when I say all of them, only 3 came. I've got one of the boxes here. So I think this is the one that I'm actually using. So they're from Revolution. They just come in a box like that, and it's the Chromatics Duochrome Pigment part. And the reason I've got no makeup on is because they're obviously pigments and they come in parts, and I don't want it to like spoil my foundation and things. Okay, so I've just tied my hair back just at the top here. So people are saying that you will need a glitter glue for these pigment parts. So I've just got my Too Faced glitter glue shadow insurance. So I've got that, so that will be going on. And this one is the XX Revolution in the shade Rush. They're just duochrome pigment parts, but guys, you get so little product. You really don't get a lot in them at all. You get 0.4 grams or 0.01 ounces, which is just not a lot at all. I didn't read that when I ordered them. So what we're going to do first is put the glitter glue on. I think I'm just going to do one eye at a time. I'm going to put the glitter glue on and then the eyeshadow, and then I'm going to go in with a crease shade I feel like. And I've put way too much glitter glue on, so we're going to have to put that on both eyes. I don't know if that's still in date. Feels a bit runny. I think I'll have to get a new glitter glue at some point. I have just washed my hands though, so it could be that. Either way, it will make it tacky. It's quite tacky. I need a brush. I think I'm going to go in with this one. I don't know where my other brush is. Just going to wipe the eyeshadow off. And then it's a case of getting some of this eyeshadow into this little cap here. Because when I did the swatches, I just put it directly onto my hand. Right, there's a bit on here, not much. So we're just going to have to keep it dipping in. So that's it there. I'm going to zoom you in. So yeah, sorry that I'm in my dressing gown or robe. I've just got out of the shower and I just thought I would do this while I'm kind of drying off. So we're going to zoom in, pop that back down there, because the last thing I want to do is, the last thing I want to do is kind of spill this. I think you'll need to go in a few times with it. I think it's nice. You'll need to go in a few times with it. But it is a really, really nice shade. You definitely need glitter glue. So if you've got these and don't have glitter glue, I would suggest you get some. Or maybe that the NYX tacky base that I use, maybe that would work. This is a beautiful colour. It's just going to be a really, really simple eye look. And then I'm going to put like maybe a brown through the crease. So far, I would say you could have all your makeup on and do this. I mean, I know a lot of people do the eyeshadow first, but me personally, I would prefer to do my eyes last. Isn't that stunning? Whoops. think I want to pop a bit more on. Maybe just try and use the last of what's on the brush, what's in the pot, should I say. I just think that is absolutely amazing. Are they worth £14? Because £14 is what they are, kind of the £14 is the regular retail price. I don't like that it takes forever to get this stuff out. I wouldn't pay £14 for them, guys. Like I said in the, you can get multi-chromes for £14, so why would you buy a duochrome for the same price? It's no, I just wouldn't. But I got these for £5.60 a piece, and I got 3 of them. I think they're worth it for that price. I just wish they would come out of the pot easier than they do. You know, I can't remember the last time I went naturally curly. It's weird to look at myself in the viewfinder and I'm like, I've got naturally, my hair is naturally curly. I normally straighten it, and I've been curling it like with my curling wand. I think I'll leave it to dry like this. I'm not going to put any mousse on it or anything. I'll leave it to dry naturally, and if it goes frizzy, tomorrow I will straighten it, and then maybe on the 3rd day I'll curl it with my curlers. So what I'm going to be doing over the next 2 to 3 days, or maybe I'll just do one a week, because I've got these 7-day challenge to do as well. So yeah, maybe I'll just do one a week and show you what each one looks like. I don't know, maybe I'll call it a testing Tuesday or something like that. I think once my entire makeup's done, I think it will look absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a palette that I want to use a crease shade and an inner corner highlight out of. Maybe even one of my Shop My Stash palettes. Then we'll come back, we'll do that. Then off camera I will do the rest of my makeup and I'll show you what it looks like, and then we can talk about these little hidden gems. Okay, so yesterday when I did my Shop My Stash, this one was pulled out by, Pretty Random. So this is one of the 5 that Pretty Random has asked me to pull out. So it's the Revolution Reloaded Visionary. I'm sure this is a dupe for the purple Anastasia Beverly Hills one that they did. I'm almost sure it is, but I'm not 100%. Now normally I would go in with the purples, but obviously because we've got green on the eyes, I feel like I just want to go in with these like kind of neutral tones, and I want to use this gold for the inner corner. So what are we doing? Yeah, we'll go in with this shade here. They don't have names, they just have numbers, so that one will be number 4. So I've not used this palette in a hot minute. Where have I put my Charlotte Tilbury mirror? Is anyone else like me, or is it just me? I put things down and I forget where I put it, even though it's only been like 5 minutes. I'm just going in to the crease. The glitter from the eyeshadow has just gone a bit onto the crease, which is not what I wanted. So yeah, we're just doing that. I don't want to go in too heavy with these eyeshadows from the Revolution palette because I don't want them to be the focus. I want this to be the focus. And it's the same on this side. Right, and then I think we'll just deepen it out with this shade. So this shade is number 20. And then that's it. Obviously something for the lash line. That is, sorry, the card was a bit full on me. Right, so I've just basically gone in with that number 20 shade here just to deepen it out a little bit. I think we're finished with that until I've got my makeup on, and then I can see if I need to deepen it out a little bit more. As far as the lid shade is, I absolutely adore that. I'm going to put my foundation on and all my base makeup on, and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk about the overall look. So yeah, I'm just going to go and do that, and I'll see you in about half an hour, 40 minutes. Right guys, so I've done all my makeup, my base is on, everything's on. The eyeshadow that's on the lid went a little bit higher than I would have liked, so I've kind of just took that off with a cotton bud. So we're going to go in with the shades again from this Visionary palette. Just briefly go in with these. So this one here, shade 4. Like I said earlier, it's just a really simple look. Then we're gonna go in with shade 10 here just to deepen it out a little bit. Yeah, I like the look of that. And then on the brow bone, we're going to go in with this white shade here. Now normally with eyeshadows I normally go in with the NYX white base, but because I needed glitter glue down I didn't go in with that today. So I don't know if these eyeshadows are going to crease. The Revolution one shouldn't crease because I put that glitter glue down. And then finally, if I can get my right brush, it's not even finally, wanna go in with this really nice pretty, I think it's a duochrome gold, and just put that in the inner corners. So yeah, what I've decided to do with these videos, since I've got 3 of those pigments, is use one a week and show you what that looks like. Maybe go in a little bit. That looks nice with it being like a, I would say it's like a yellow gold. Maybe spritz a little bit spray on. So I'm just using the Too Faced Hangover RX, which really is meant for the face, but it's the closest one I've got to me. Just want to make it a little bit more pigmented. Yeah, this Visionary palette is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to wear that. Oh, and then on the lash line, I think I've dropped a brush. I don't know what I dropped on the floor. Let's go in with I think this shade here, the darkest one that I used, just on the lash line. And that's the finished look, guys. So let's take the hair down. Still very damp. So this concludes the look. Now I don't think it's showing, but I went into the bathroom earlier and then I turned this way and you could see the blue shift. I don't think it's going to show. I don't know. It probably isn't going to show because the external light is just kind of facing me, but when I went into the bathroom earlier to try and remove that eyeshadow that was kind of stuck, I think the reason the eyeshadow got stuck here is because of the glitter glue. Maybe next time I won't put it as far up, but yeah, I really do like these eyeshadow pigment pots. Now I feel like they're really expensive if you're going to be paying the I feel like they're really expensive if you're going to be paying the £14, but if you can get them on sale, there is currently a sale on Revolution at the moment and they're only £5.60 each. So I do feel like you're basically getting free for the price of two. So I feel like that offer is a good one. If an offer comes up again in the near future, I will get the remaining. I think there's 3 more that I haven't got, but for now I'll just use these. I'll be using one a week and calling it. I'll be calling the video Testing Tuesday, so where we test these duochromes, and this is the first video out of the 3 that I'll be doing. So thank you for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please share and please comment.